If you're seeing those viral round corner videos everywhere and wondering how people create them, let's see the easiest way to make round corner videos in CapCut on your iPhone or Android. So for that, we just have to open up our CapCut, then go to New Project. And here we have to select the video we just want to make round. Now tap on Add and bring it to the timeline. And now from the timeline, we have to select it. Now our video is ready to edit, and now we just have to swipe left until you find the mask option. Then just open it, and the mask tool let us control which part of the video stays visible. And now inside the mask section, you will see many shapes. Choose rectangle, and now adjust the rectangle depending on how much of the video you just want visible. So this basically creates the frame of your rounded video. Just take your movement to position and resize it perfectly. So now tap the rectangle again and you will see the round corner slide. And as you move it, you will see the sharp corner turn into smooth round corners. So you can adjust this depending on how rounded you want your video to look. And the most important things, you don't always need to open extra settings. You can also drag the on-screen controls to adjust the round corners quickly. Now drag up for more roundness, drag down for sharper corners, and this makes it super easy to fine-tune the look. And if you want, you can add a background image or color behind your video to make the rounded effect stand out more. So once everything looks perfect, tap on export, and after exporting, open up your photos or gallery, and your round corner video is ready to post. So that's how you can create viral round corner videos in CapCut easily. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.